Hiya!
What is that?
The big black cock.
Hey, yo, what the fuck?
You gay.
Don't do this. Please, don't do this.
But I can't take that abuse!
Yes!
You take this hard dick in the ass?
Wait a minute, what kind of wrestling match is this? They took no DQ too far. This is no holds barred. Man's got converted to the other side.
Bruce!
There's thumbtacks on the ground. Chairs have been bent over each competitor's backs. Blood all over the place, but the high spot was a dildo on a chair? How do you even call this spot in the ring? We're getting close to the finish. Bring in the dick.
Wait, what did he say again?
I want you inside of me.
This gotta be a crime in about 33 different states. Was the wrestling business always this weird? The Dudleys went through tables, the Hardys jumped off ladders, Edge and Christian swing chairs. These motherfuckers playing with dicks. Where's Jim Cornette when you need him? Fix it, Jesus. But it doesn't stop there, because the ring announcer volunteered to be next.
It's my turn!
Yes.
Get the fuck out of here! You told me it was my turn!
Fucking quiz!
What kind of masochistic, violent Eskimo bro shit is this? He stood by all match long, but this is what he wanted to interfere for?
Wake up and smell the gay coffee.
Get these butt buddies out of here.
Not that there's anything wrong with that.
Hit the subscribe button